chéidir casúm Seamus bhí muid ag fleú Cheoil chun Intrama a go an dála agus bhí sé héin agus bhfuil James McElhenney far fideoige as den given agus casúr chéile sin ar a traid ag sin in Cheoil bhí dúla an héin bheith gcónaí mu faoin air agus bhí an tartúgin buí muid go fleáin i Cheoil a létrum sliga os cuma in fleáin na héireann na chéile sé anesci sin leis agus tógan sin session chuann sé brí agus foiinniu in sa teisisin agus an chrac gomór a gceist an rulas talachtaí ar fád bhína crac a héintach áite bí a bhreathú ní ghlachann sé an tríal go ró réidíre ar gáir bhí.
I'm quite sure there was no Bodhrans played in the north before 1966-67. And whenever I started playing, there was only one other player in Ulster. Few more learned, within the 6 months, but there was only one from Belfast at that time. He would have been expensive to employ. Whenever I started to make Bodhrans, I'd never seen one. A couple of years later, I found that most of them were made out of sieves and riddles, for riddling corn. They just removed the wire and used the frame.
Ceir bhlín ó hin thosamid an féile seo crackan an scoil saoire idirnáisiúnta don Bodhran an chéad ceann a bhí an riomh sa domhan mar de gná ní bhín mór an fáilte rih daoine bhín sa seint na Bodhran aonáid sa tír. Is taín na Bodhran thar cínnam héin agus bhí mé ceapa go méidir gur chóirdaí freastal orb agus an chaidán den immert an seinte a chrocha agus gomach níos mó fáilte sin rompas na seisiún timpeall a domhan agus tá sé gol i bhéid agus a bheabhas ó hin le ceir bhlín anús agus tá an éile bhéir ó dhaoine ón ísacht tagan daoine ó go leor áit chuí. Tá duine anseo as an Israel im líana, tá duine as an Austral, tá daoine as America, Canada, an Ghearmáin, an Nidal, Spáin agus an Reich.
I'm Rolf and I live in Hanover in Germany, and I started playing about 11 years ago. I don't know, there was no one there at that time teaching and showing me what to do, so I had to look at, for example, what Johnny McDonough was doing and trying to figure out how that works, and it came on from that. It's a big influence in here. You meet people that you only heard on CDs back home in Germany, and they show you actually what they're doing. So it's a nice influence, definitely highlights of the year for me and other German musicians coming over to Ireland and going to those festivals.
Bhí an táling mníine is go raibh Seamus O'Kane an duine is mó duine Bodhran sa domhan tá an cháil go Cheoil mar duine dhéanamh Bodhran agus tháinig sé an seo mníine agus bhí an ásaring é deiscint ní mór an aithne go héin go dtí gur tháinig sé agus fearr úsal é agus thug sé léocht an seo agus doscail sé súla an lochtéisteachta mar bhíne sé na rudaí a bhhainans le duine Bodhran agus ceapá gur rud siimplí é ach tá na blianta caite ag Seamus a duine taide céad éon fumas fearr agus cénsáis ámad úsáid agus cénsáis crackan úsáid agus bhí sé ansimúil agus streigear sé go leor ceistin an sin agus tá stíl áling ag a stíl héin seinte Bodhran. So is duine an táachta go Cheoil is síle Bodhran.
In 1969, I heard a record with the Bodhran in the background, and I just sat on the end immediately and was really blown away by the sound. I made inquiries from another teacher in the school. What was that? What's that instrument? And he had been in Capel Street in Dublin, and he said, that's a Bodhran, and they play it down there. He described it to me, and from his description I made it. And I was looking through all the sources of information, and